Please place yourself in a comfortable position and see to it that you will not be disturbed. For you are about to begin a journey to the center room, where you will concentrate your magnetic energy through the force of visualization. Through your mind flows a powerful magnetic force, and it is this force that makes things happen in your life. For every time that you think a thought, feel a feeling, or create an image in your mind, you activate this force, and you begin drawing towards you the very same conditions that you've been thinking, feeling, or seeing. When visualizing a goal, you deliberately create a strong mental or feeling picture of what it is that you want. This then serves to concentrate your magnetic energy towards your desires, and the conditions of success begin to draw towards you. Now here are some additional suggestions for making your goal visualizations more successful. First, have a clear and precise idea of what it is that you want to accomplish. And then, imagine what your life will be like once you have accomplished it. How will you be different than you are today? How will you be spending your time? What will people be saying to you? What will you see around you? How will you feel about yourself and your success? As you create the goal visualization, let yourself get lost in it. Don't censor yourself, but explore it as vividly as if you were living it today. And remember that you're always free to change or redefine the goal as you begin seeing it more clearly. Okay, now get comfortable, close your eyes, and bring to your mind the goal that you are presently working on. All right, now ask yourself these questions. Does this goal make me feel good about myself? What will I gain when I achieve it? What, if anything, will I lose? Who else benefits from this goal besides me? Does anyone get hurt? Do I feel comfortable with the increased responsibilities that may accompany this success? Is my personal goal in alignment with the universal goals of peace and love? All right, now if you're satisfied with your answers to these questions, we can begin our journey to the center room, where you will concentrate your magnetic energy through your powers of visualization and direct it towards your goal. And we will begin with step 1. Relaxing your body deeply and completely. To begin, take in a deep, comfortable breath and notice the coolness of the air that you breathe in and the warmness of the air that you breathe out. All right, now take in another breath, and this time hold it briefly within your lungs, and then exhale it slowly and completely. Taking in a breath now, holding it briefly in your lungs, and then exhaling it slowly and completely. And again, take in a deep breath. Hold it in your lungs for just a moment, and then exhale it slowly and completely. Good. Now, begin concentrating your attention onto the feelings and sensations that you're experiencing in your feet and toes. And once you do so, just simply allow your toes and feet to relax and go limp as you exhale. Allowing your toes and feet to just simply go limp as you exhale. And then begin concentrating on the sensations in the large muscles of your calves and thighs. All right? Now, simply allow these calf and thigh muscles to relax as you exhale once again. Allow these muscles to become loose, limp, and heavy, for you have no need to use them right now. Simply allow them to relax as you exhale. Good. Now concentrate on the feelings and sensations in your abdominal and pelvic area as you take in another deep breath. And then relax the muscles in your abdominal and pelvic area as you exhale, allowing them to become deeply and completely relaxed. Relaxing your abdominal and pelvic muscles now as you exhale. All right, good. And now, concentrate on the feelings and sensations that you feel at the tip of your spine. And moving very slowly up your spine, allow each of your back muscles to completely relax as you exhale, allowing all of your weight to be supported by your bed or chair. Moving slowly now, up your spine, as each of your back muscles relaxes so deeply and completely that all of your weight is supported by your bed or chair. Relaxing the muscles as you exhale. Good. And now begin to concentrate on the feelings and sensations in your chest and upper back. And allow these muscles to relax as you exhale slowly. Relaxing the muscles in your upper back and chest now, allowing them to become loose and limp and completely relaxed. All right, and now take in another deep breath. And this time as you exhale, allow all the tension to drain away from your shoulders, neck, arms, and hands, allowing these muscles to become loose and limp, for you have no need to use them right now. So allow all tensions to drain away from your shoulders, neck, arms, and hands as you exhale. Breathing deeply now and allowing all tensions to drain away from your shoulders, neck, arms, and hands as you exhale. All right, good. And now, concentrate on the feelings and sensations that you are experiencing in your face and head. Take in a breath, and as you exhale it, allow all facial expression to melt away from your face, allowing the muscles in your face to just simply relax. Allowing all expression to drain away from your face as you exhale. Allowing the muscles in your face and head to completely relax. And now once again, begin to concentrate upon that area of your body that you feel to be the center of yourself, the centering point of your entire being. Locate this centering point now, and then remain quietly still for a few moments and just simply experience being centered in your physical body. And now I would like you to take in yet another deep breath. And this time as you exhale, imagine yourself floating down on the magic carpet into the very center of yourself. Down into the center room that contains everything you need to concentrate your magnetic energy and successfully visualize your goal. You are there now, in the center room, and the blank screen is in front of you. The projectors, the lights, and everything you need for success. Now bring your present goal to mind and begin projecting it onto the screen as you experience yourself as having already achieved it. Experiencing all the feelings and sensations of your success. Experiencing what you will see around you, what you will feel, what you will hear as you achieve this goal. See it, feel it, and create it inside of you. And now release your visualization into the universe. Let it go like a balloon into the wind. And then turn off your projector. Let your mind be still. And say softly to yourself, It is done. You have just completed another successful goal visualization, and you have released its magnetic energy into the universe. Each day, be open and watchful for the new ideas and opportunities that will soon begin presenting themselves to you, leading you closer and closer to the successful completion of this goal.
This concludes this visualization exercise. Listen again as often as you wish and watch your life begin to improve.